Ever pondered the secret sauce behind Domino's rise to the top of the pizza delivery industry? It's all about branding, and Domino's has mastered the art. In the beginning, Domino's kept it simple. Consistency was their first strategy. In every store, every box, every ad, you'd see the same logo, the same color scheme, the same message. This consistent branding made Domino's instantly recognizable, linking these visual elements to the promise of delicious pizza. But Domino's didn't stop there. They positioned themselves as the go-to solution for convenient, reliable pizza delivery. They highlighted their speedy service, quality ingredients, and budget-friendly prices, carving out a unique space for themselves in the market. Then, they breathed life into their brand. Domino's developed a brand personality that was fun, approachable, and innovative. They used humor and relatable messaging in their ads, connecting with consumers on a more personal level. Emotional branding was another card Domino's played brilliantly. They tapped into feelings of hunger, satisfaction, and joy. They focused on the experience of sharing a pizza with loved ones, creating positive emotional associations with the Domino's brand. And who doesn't love a good story? Domino's used brand storytelling to humanize their brand. They shared their journey, their values, their commitment to customer satisfaction. This built trust with consumers, giving them a brand they could believe in. In a smart move, Domino's extended their brand beyond pizza. They introduced sandwiches, pasta, desserts, and drinks, catering to a wider range of tastes and increasing their share of the market. Brand partnerships have also played a part in Domino's brand strategy. By teaming up with other reputable brands, Domino's gained exposure to new audiences and reinforced their own brand image. Last but not least, Domino's focused on creating a seamless brand experience. They made ordering easy, ensured their delivery service was fast and reliable, and provided attentive customer support. This all-around positive experience solidified their brand's reputation. So, there you have it. Domino's didn't just happen upon success. They used a comprehensive branding strategy to climb to the top of the pizza world. From consistent branding to strategic partnerships, Domino's has shown that a strong, well-executed brand can be a game changer. And that's food for thought.